Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam wall mirror. So what you're going to need is some of these beautiful rhinestone buckles. I picked these up at Totally Dazzled. You're also going to need some of this gorgeous Bling Wrap. And this is also from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of wedding decor and event decor. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these square mirrors. You're going to need 2 of these 8 by 10 mirrors. And you're going to need a piece of foam board. Now the measurements that I'm going to be using for the foam board are 10.5 wide by 15.5 deep, or lengthwise. So you'll need a piece of foam board from Dollar Tree as well. Now I've got some loose gemstones here, and they are from Walmart. I also have some peel and stick gemstones, and they're also from Walmart, but you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue for this project. However, if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create this beautiful mirror. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this mirror turn out absolutely beautifully? And it was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.